Hello friends, this is Dr. Neeta and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. In this video, today we are going to discuss about bark flower remedies. Bark flower remedies. Bark flower remedies are medicines which are prepared from flowers to treat the negative emotional and mental states which are common in life. Dr. Edward Bach was a successful holistic consultant in the 1930s who became disillusioned with the emphasis of modern medicine. He was convinced that nature held the answer to so many of the negative states of the mind. Accordingly, he gave up his practice and settled in Oxfordshire, where he began his search for the remedies amid the woods, fields, and hedgerows of the English countryside. Edward Bach was a deeply spiritual person. He was capable of bringing a particular mood upon himself. When he held the flower of the appropriate remedy in his hand, the negative state would subside and disappear. So in this slide, we have seen the history, how actually this Bach flower was discovered by Dr. Edward Bach. Now, what happens in our general medicinal healing process? Just like if we'll consider any kind of pathy, just like allopathy, if we'll consider, if you are telling your problem to doctor, what doctor will do? Doctor will give you some kind of medicine. Actually, that medicine is going to attack on the disease. And if, for example, four people come in front of the same doctor and asking for the same kind of problem, he may advise similar kind of medicine because they are saying the same problem and the symptoms are same because he is trying to treat the disease. But here in Bach flower remedies, actually, Dr. Edward Bach, he was a very spiritual person, and first he understand that actually we need to heal the person rather than treating or attacking the disease. We have to actually change the state of mind of that person, and based on that his body automatically will heal him. That's what his understanding was. So that's why he actually wants to heal the person rather than the disease, and because of that actually he get in the search of such kind of flowers. Now whenever he got actually certain kind of magical result when he is having certain kind of emotional state, and he is holding his hand onto certain kind of flower, actually he get the benefit of overcoming those kind of negative emotions and they get converted into positive one. And that's how actually he discover many of those plants. Previously he come up with the 12 different flowers. Based on that he were also wrote one book also, 12 healing flowers, and then actually gradually he come up with some more. So after that, total 38 bark flower actually he has introduced, and in this video today we are going to discuss this 38 bark flower, how he has divided them into 7 different groups, and what these groups are, which kind of emotional state actually he has considered for that 7 groups. That all kind of thing actually we are going to discuss in today's video. So moving ahead with the next slide. The original bark flower remedies is a safe and natural method of healing discovered by Dr. Bach from 1920 to 1930s in England. They gently restore the balance between mind and body by casting out negative emotions such as fear, worry, hatred, and indecision, which interface with the equilibrium of the being as a whole. The bark flower remedies allow peace and happiness to return to the sufferer so that the body is free to heal itself. The bark flower remedies are made from wildflowers and are safe for the whole family, including pets. The remedies are presented in grape-based brandy and are gluten-free. So all these remedies, whatever 38 different bark flower remedies are available today, that is actually prepared from different wildflowers. But though it is prepared from the white flour, still it's very very safe and safe for each and every person in the family, though he or she may be the child or the senior citizen, or maybe the pet of the family, including youngsters. So if you actually overcome certain kind of negative emotion and you actually work on that, bark flower remedies are the best solution, because actually it works internally, directly from the emotional well-being. And once your spiritual health start healing, automatically it gets to your mental health and physical health too. And it means the person can see the visible results of those things. Many people don't believe in this kind of thing. They may say it's a kind of placebo effect, but actually it works, and he has done a lot of research within that. And many people has shared their experience that they got a wonderful result with the help of bark flower remedies. So now we'll move ahead with the 7 different groups under bark flower remedies. So these 38 flowers are divided into 7 major groups. So one by one, we are now going to discuss these groups, and these 7 groups are actually made on the basis of different kind of emotional state the person may have, and which may cause to certain kind of diseases. So those kind of negative emotions has been considered, and for those negative emotions certain kind of flowers is suggested. So you can actually suggest one or a combination of one or two flowers remedy for the particular emotional state to overcome that negative state and get the positive well-being for that particular person. So now let's begin with the 7 group. First group is fear, which is a very commonly experienced emotion. From the childhood itself, everyone actually experience this particular emotion for many of the time. And even though if we don't have such kind of states or events or situations in life, but everyone carries some kind of fear, just like fear of failure, fear of future, fear of certain things which actually not there in present, but still they are just creating those kind of fears in their mind. And because of that fear they are always burdened, and because of that burden actually they never let themselves free and they can't enjoy their life. So this is the common emotion. We find this emotion from the childhood itself. Everyone actually experience fear. So those who experience this kind of negative emotion continuously, for them, you can actually suggest bark flower remedies such as rock rose, memulus, cherry plum, aspen, red chestnut. These are very, very effective. Those people who always have fear of failure, fear of future, for them actually you can suggest any of the remedy and it actually will work magically. Moving ahead with the next group. Second group is for uncertainty. Uncertainty may be any kind of situation wherein you feel uncertain about for example, if you are uncertain about your career, you don't know what to do, so you can't plan today what exactly I should do with my career. If you are uncertain about your finances, you don't know what kind of crisis you may suffer, and because of that what kind of situation may occur. So of course our future is uncertain, we don't know what's going to happen in the future, but still many people actually remain always in that particular state of mind wherein they feel uncertain about everything, and that's why they can't enjoy their present. And for them you can actually treat with the help of certain kind of bark flower remedies such as Cerato, Scleranthus, Genesian, Gorse, hornbeam, wild oat. These kind of bark flower remedies you can suggest to those people who are uncertain. Third group is for insufficient interest in present circumstances. So those who feel no interest or rather they lack in any kind of enthusiasm, energy, or positive feelings about their present situation, means they are not enjoying life. They don't feel any kind of energy, any kind of happiness, any kind of adventurousness in their life, and that's why they got so much bore that they don't feel any kind of interest, and because of that they lack in each and every situation in their life, because they don't interested in doing anything, because that they are not enjoying it. And for those kind of people, actually you can work with the bark flower remedies such as clematis, honeysuckle, wild rose, olive, white chestnut, mustard, or chestnut bud. These are the different bark flower remedies which may actually create certain kind of interest in their present circumstances, and that's how they may actually just feel better, and they may enjoy their present circumstances also. So that was about third group. Moving ahead with the next group. Fourth group is for loneliness. Loneliness is something that every one of us may feel lonely some time in some circumstances of our life. But these are people, they always feel lonely even though they are in a social gathering, they are in a big event wherein there are hundreds of people around them, but still they feel lonely. They always feel that no one is around them and no one cares them, no one loves them, no one bothers them, and that's how they always feel lonely, and that's why they can't enjoy their life. So for those people, actually you can suggest water violet, then impotence, then heather. These are few of the back remedies must be suggested for people who always bear the state of mind in the loneliness kind of thing. Moving ahead with the next group. Fifth group is for oversensitiveness. They're oversensitive for everything. If they're happy, they're too happy. If they're sad, they're too sad. If they're hurt, they're too hurt. So oversensitive for any kind of emotion they're experiencing in their life. So overexcited, over joyous, all this kind of thing. Even if they got tired, or they got any kind of illness or any kind of problem or pain, actually they overreact, and they're oversensitive about that, over possessive about something. So for those kind of people who always have such kind of emotional state, you can actually suggest them agrimony, century, walnut, or holy. These are very effective backflow remedies for those people who are oversensitive. Moving ahead with the sixth group. Sixth group is for despondency. Despondency is something wherein they are not courageous. They feel loss of courage, lack of hope, means they feel hopelessness in their life. So that kind of tendency, that kind of emotional state is called as despondency. So if people who feel that they actually don't feel any kind of hope, or they are not that much courageous, for them you can treat with large pine, elm, sweet chestnut, star of Bethlehem, willow, oak, crabapple. So these are the few of the back remedies which works very nice on despondency. Moving ahead with the next group. Seventh group is for overcare for welfare of others. Overcare, something like overpossessive. For example, the mother whose son is got married, and now she is getting that fear that, oh, his love is now divided and he may leave me, he may not care me or love me that much what he used to, and that's why she feel very very possessive, and she wants that her child needs to be her only, and that's why he started hating her daughter-in-law, and may feel so much possessive that always he is in contact with his son and trying to actually over pamper him for everything, and that's how actually he her state is over possessive. So that kind of people who over care others, over possessive about something, and they're having that fear that they may leave them, and that's why their life may be may not have any kind of other interest or other goal or other target, only that target they are having in their mind, and that's how they are actually over care and over sensitive about those people. So this is again a negative state of mind. We should not be in that state of mind wherein we are always get along with people and we want them with us. No, they are having their own life, and also they can take their own decision how much time they want to spend with you and what kind of emotion they should have about you. So everything is on them. So we can't control them, we can't control their life. So this is again a negative kind of emotion, wherein if such kind of personality is coming to you for getting recover or overcome such kind of feelings, in that case you can recommend chicory, vervain, wine, beach or rock water bag flowers to them. So these were the seven major groups in which this 38 different bag flower is divided, and we have discussed different kind of seven negative emotions on which actually bag flower remedies work very well. Now it's not like only these seven kind of emotions are getting covered with bag flower. There are several other emotions or other problems which can be recovered, which can be overcome with the help of bag flower remedy, that we will discuss in the upcoming video. So I think this much for this video. Thank you very much. So thank you again.